The same jury who found an escaped Arizona prison inmate guilty of carjacking and murdering a couple in New Mexico must now decide if he should be put to death. They heard opening statements in federal court today as the sentencing phase of John McCluskey's trial gets underway. News 13's Lizzie Mitri is live in the Newsplex.
Kim, the prosecution is pointing to McCluskey's violent criminal history, while the defense argues mental health issues make him ineligible for the death penalty. Getting that death penalty is no easy task.
A jury earlier this month found John McCluskey guilty of 20 counts, including carjacking and killing Gary and Linda Haas in August of 2010, just days after McCluskey escaped from an Arizona prison. The Oklahoma couple was traveling through New Mexico to Colorado. Now the jury has to decide if McCluskey is eligible for the death penalty, then if he deserves it. The defense today argued McCluskey is not eligible for the death penalty, saying he didn't intend to kill, that it happened as a result of injuries and abnormalities in McCluskey's brain that cause him to react in ways that aren't normal. Another consideration when looking at eligibility is violent criminal history, which is the prosecution's focus. They told the jury of McCluskey's previous attempted murder conviction, 4 prior armed robbery convictions, and aggravated assault convictions. If McCluskey is sentenced to death, he would join nearly 60 federal inmates currently on death row since the reinstatement of the federal death penalty in 1988, according to the Death Penalty Information Center. The Federal Bureau of Prisons website shows only 3 death row prisoners have actually been executed since 2000, including Oklahoma City bomber Timothy McVeigh in 2001.
The judge today said she's hoping the sentencing phase will be over by Thanksgiving, but it could last until mid-December. Kim, back to you.
Okay, thanks, Lizzie. Now, before this trial had even ended, we learned today that McCluskey's attorneys have already filed a request for a new trial.